Hi, very good morning. Today we are going to share about the new feature that we have recently added to our image authentication. The feature is what we call it as the sweet spot on the image. So what we're going to show you is a demonstration of how the user login will happen. So this is our demo page where I'm coming in and I have a user which is Nilesh and I'm going in and logging in. Now on the second page, which is the authentication page for second factor authentication, we are doing the image based authentication. Now in the image based authentication, what we have added is a sweet spot. Now I will explain you what is a sweet spot. Now as you can see that this is the typical image if the user ID is correct. But now there is a possibility that the user will look at the image or might skip at the image. So what we have done is that we have introduced a sweet spot which only user knows and user clicks, and in my case it is this particular sweet spot on the image where I'm going to click. So as you can see, when I click on it, it captures the coordinate of the particular pixel which is being selected by the user. Now if I click anywhere else, which obviously nobody else knows or the user has not shared with anybody, then it is not valid or it will not match. So in my case, this is the sweet spot which I have selected, and now I'm coming in and also entering my password. Now it looks quite straightforward, but it is another level of authentication of security where user is firstly forced to see the image and secondly click on a sweet spot on the image, which is the additional factor of I would say, or additional security which is being added. So I'm clicking here, I'm logging in, and sorry, once I do that, it works as normal. Once the image as well as the sweet spot and the password is verified, the user is allowed to log in. Now this is just a quick demonstration of how it works. In a very similar manner, we can go in and using the self-service portal which is inside the website or the web page, we can change the image. So over here, let's say I'm changing the image to Mowgli, and I am changing it to a different color, and then I will also change my sweet spot. So I can just say that I want to click it here at the beginning of the image and then pick it up here. So this will actually ask me, and then I will be able to change the image along with the sweet spot. So now I'm going to log in again. So over here, I think just for simplicity, I'll just go back to the same page, the starting page. Why is it so slow? Okay. So over here, I'm coming in as Nilesh, and as you will see, sorry, the machine is a local machine, so it's not as powerful as the server which it would be. That's why it's a bit slow. In fact, very slow. Okay. Now we are already in. Sorry. Let's just check the server. Anyway, it's too long. I think I'm going to cut the video until that point. Oh, yeah, sure.